What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Low Key, and I'm back with another video. Hey. I'm very excited for today's video because I have been waiting for these two packages to come in, and they finally came in. I've been trying to step up my makeup game lately, and who other to step up your makeup game with than Beats by Deb. She comes out with the most fire, vibrant, colorful looks, and she's just amazing. She has her own makeup line. So since I love her Instagram and I love her YouTube videos so much, I just wanted to go ahead and try out some of her makeup. We're just gonna jump into exactly what I got. The first package I got is from her actual website. I ordered some lashes and some of her glitter because I really love the way that her glitter and lashes look in her Instagram videos. It's amazing. So, ooh, all this confetti. Okay, so these are the lashes. Wow, these are so cute, y'all. Yes, I'm super excited to see what these look like on. And then the next thing is the glitter. So she does have a couple of different types of glitter on her website, but I wanted to do the chunky glitter because I've just never had that. It's just so different. I really like the way it looks on her eyes. So this glitter set came with pink, gold, blue, silver, red, and black. And honestly, y'all, the reason why I got this one was for the black, because black glitter? What? The only other thing that came in this little pouch is her business cards. I really love the little eye thing she has on there. It's really cute. The second thing I ordered was the Beat Down palette. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen this. It's been everywhere. Honestly, it came out in September and I'm late. This is why I'm trying to step it up. This is why I'm trying to get beat down. I'm trying to bust down on the beat down. You heard me? She just looks so beautiful on the front, like black girl magic. Yes, I already knew this palette was gonna be fat because I already seen it, and I'm just really excited. So yes, this is the palette. Let me get a closer. Alright, y'all, so we are going to be testing out all three of these products today in a makeup look I seen on her YouTube channel. It's like a tropical vibe with like a black glitter eyeliner, and I thought that was so creative, and I would never ever dare to do something that bold. But before we get into me testing out this makeup look, make sure you stay to the end of the video to hear about my first giveaway. I do have a giveaway opportunity for all of my subscribers, so yeah, make sure you stay to the end of the video so that you can get your goodies, okay? Alright, let's get right into it. So I've already done my eyebrows and prepped my eyes because that's what she did in her video. I also have her video down here playing in case I get lost. In her video, she uses a royal blue color, lighter blue color, a green, and a yellow. So those are the ones I'm going to be using. Let's get into the blue. Next color that she goes in with is the lighter blue.
So now with a slightly cleaner brush, I'm gonna just start to blend circles up a little bit before I add that lightest green.
So next she goes in with the light green color, and I'm going to use my more fluffy looking brush. looking like we are looking like a smoothie, okay? A smoothie. Now that I'm done with the green though, I am gonna go back in with that darker blue because her blue is way more dark. So I want to take some more and actually wet it a little bit and build it up a little bit more to see if I can get it to look any darker.
Now I think I'm actually gonna put this light yellow on my lid, so I'm gonna take some of my acid rain base in the shade Blank Canvas.
Next, she cuts her crease and puts some eyeshadow base in there, but before I do that, I'm going to wipe away some of the blue that I got on my lid because it's kind of deeply on my lid. Y'all, I am trying my hardest. Like, I am not good at this stuff. Okay, now she goes in with the yellow color. Let me see. Let me make sure. I told y'all I got the video in front of me.
This blue, just so that when I add the yellow on top, it's nice and blended and incorporated.
Okay, actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer because I'm trying to mimic the shape that she did. This is so crazy. Okay, when you like don't know what you're doing, but you just faking it till you make it, sis, because that's all you can do. That's all you can do. Okay, so right before she does the yellow, she actually goes in with some more of the blue around the edge of the concealer. Oh, I see what she means. It definitely makes it a little less harsh around that edge. She knows what she's talking about. Yeah. We're giving Tropicana, blue raspberry, pineapple, green apple juice. So now she goes back in with that light green color and puts it on the edge of the yellow. So now it's time for the fun part. She did a black eyeliner with black glitter. I don't know how this is gonna go because I don't wear eyeliner, so I don't know, but we're gonna try it. This is the Maybelline Masterpiece Metallic. Oh hell no. Y'all, I literally just went to CVS real quick and just grabbed an eyeliner for this video because I don't wear eyeliner, so I literally didn't own it. So I don't know. Let's just see. Oh my god. Okay. I'ma do it. We got it. We got this. Girl, you got this. Yeah, I got this, sis. Alright, let's go. Okay. This is why I just don't do eyeliner. Like, it just takes too much. Besides this being absolute trash. But, that's the best I could do, guys. I used to be the queen. I used to be the queen of eyeliner in high school, but I don't got it no more. I don't wear it no more. I tried my best. I definitely think I needed to use a smaller glitter like how she used, but I really wanted to try her chunky one, so I didn't order her small glitters. So I have eyelash glue all over my lashes, so I'm going to take a baby wipe and put some micellar water on it and try to get off that excess glue. Wow, I'm loving these. They're so extra. Like, they're so extra. I usually don't buy thick banded lashes because they don't feel good on my eyes. So these don't feel that good on my eyes. But honestly, to be cute, it's a sacrifice, okay? Beauty's pain. Beauty's pain, okay? That is it on the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and then come back to you guys. Oh, she is giving, honey. She's giving. Yeah. Y'all, I had so much fun doing this. This was super hard, but thank God. Beats by Deb's tutorial was really easy to follow. I definitely am loving this look. Alright, y'all. Anyways, let's get into this Christmas giveaway. Woo! Hold on. I'm gonna put my Santa Claus hat on for this one. It's Santa Claus hat. Okay, Miss Claus is in the building. What? So when I made my Beats by Deb order, something extra came in the box. Let's just see what it is. I have two Beats by Deb, the Beats Down palettes. And obviously this one is mine because I already took it out. And this one I haven't touched. I haven't taken it out of the bubble wrap. It's still all wrapped up, stacked up, and ready to go. Okay, one of my lucky subscribers will be winning their own palette. Yeah, this is the season of giving, so I just really felt like giving my subscribers a gift. So rules of the giveaway: number one, first and foremost, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and following me on Instagram. That is a must. That is period, poo, period. Okay, rule number two is to like this video. Rule number three is to comment the secret emoji under my giveaway post on Instagram, as well as tag 2 friends. Okay, make sure you follow all 3 of those rules to qualify for this giveaway. I will be posting the giveaway winner on Christmas Day. So yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and good luck winning the giveaway. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.